Chickens, one of the most common domesticated animals, with a population of about 23.7 billion. There is more chicken in the world than us. Originally, they are kept for special occasions like ritual sacrifices. But now, we keep chickens as a source of food, hence their eggs and their meat. But in the Philippines, we commonly see chickens raised for cockfighting. Now, cockfighting was brought here by the Spaniards as a pastime, as a hobby, then gradually became a sport, then turned into a multi-billion peso business. It is the only sport that you can see a millionaire go hand in hand with the local folk. This is my friend Marlo. He's been raising cockfighting chickens since he was young. He's treating this like a hobby, like a pastime. And he doesn't mind the expenses. He hopes to make it big one day. Cockfighting is a sport, and in every sport there's a competition. You need to be better than your opponent. So therefore you will train every day to be better. So Marlo sees his chickens like real boxers. He trains them every day. He spars them with his other chickens, so that when the time comes, they will be ready, conditioned, fit to fight. But not too much. Marlo has many chickens to feed. When you have many chickens, you surely have many breeds. Just like
Dan Gray Claret, Gilmore Hatch, Gamagong Gray, Will Sims Black.
Marlo, I don't care if there are many breeds of chickens. When I see a chicken, I see it as a food, and I'll cook it on how I want it to. Kuan mig manok, mag-iyaw mig manok. Tutorial. This is how to butcher a chicken.
Kapot na ba? Ako kapot mo.
Alala, hindi kapot na ko dire.
Dili maglisod ko ano pa kainit ka.
Ana
tabunin ang mata.
Liso Liso.
Lokos doon na. Hindi kayo bumansok. Pero nakita ang mga marks ba?
Sorry chicken. Sorry chicken. Ato daw miss lang. Sacrifice a white chicken.
Nang ritual niya ron.
Check din na okay na.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
First time na ako mupatay og animal.
Murder.
Sige.
Katawan ni manok kay Apple.
It really hurts.
Do, unsa man na do?
Ulom.
Kay
man maibot. Tanan dili makuha tanan ba ang kuha. Balahibo so among gihulom na laman dire.
Init na.
Init lang. Lakya suli kapti be. Kapti be.
Di ba sing bugnaw na?
Kapti. Gikan rin kung nipalit mga panakot. Dira oh. Wa na ko na video eh.
Sa akin panakot mo. Good for
Sayote.
Good for 1 month ba?
Aho sibuyas. Luya. Wala, nahulog. Black pepper. Espada. Dayon. Magic sarap. I didn't sponsor. This is not an ad. This is not a paid advertisement.
Bago rin kita gana pag ahinte.
Ano sa pa ni? Ah, Nor Cubes! Oo, lagi Nor Cubes.
Mamang kuan.
Si Nor. Mut kini sukang iron. Sumura to, gi karon. Kuan. Simple ra kayo, mangawat ra mog manok sa silingan. Dayon palit ra mog gamot ra mog panakot 70 pesos ra na ako kuan na nagasto.
Ya, inagoy hubog kayo. Paling mumuta ning sinuka.
Wala si.
Yung sinuka.
Hindi mo. Tamad. Tara no.
Okay, kamulo na sa siyang pala.
Jeff.
Pagkain. Naglag ka?
Hindi pa gudyo mo to. Oh.
Kita ito palibasa na lang.
Yung kumag-vlog ka ron. Ito mo na. Iyo. Ah, muna rin yung tad-tad. Kawan pa ganito ganiha, gibalibo, mulbulan. Dali kayo.
May bar.
May bar.
Napay mag-biking. Dito na rin kayo banay.
Boxing.
May boxing. Hindi mo may dayon.
Woo, maayo kay mo iwat GB no?
Saan nga, sakto na.
Buti mo. Toppings mo ng pizza. Sweeto kayo. Umuwi mo.
Nalipis na naman kayo mamben.
Anong ginana niyo? Asa yun na ako? Manok sa silingan! Dua na ka oras. Gulang ko ni kawat nga manok. Katulo nang nidugang tubig. Paghihapon na lata. Sige, hulaton na laman na. Para panihapon. Imbis paniudton tanay.
5 hours later.
Oh, sa 5 ka oras, nalata na gyud.
Lamay ada.
Pero dami man siya.
Lamay amang gudray. Yung kang lasang
Yan ang
aso.
mga kusinero.
Lasang aso.
Kuan ba, standards ba?
Ako pa yung to.
Ako bro, di mo ganahan ilasa ito kay aso. Paano go kasi nero ko?
Pumok mo kayo do.
Lame ning manok sa silingan.
Chicken can be prepared in a vast range of ways, including baking, grilling, barbecuing, frying, and boiling, among many others. But it is more meaningful when you share it with others. Although food sharing is not new, but it's not sharing food itself, but also sharing space and even skill around growing, preparing, and eating food. Ultimately, for us, food sharing is doing things together around food. So if you want more of my content, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.